All right, guys, let's put a wrap on literal equations, example number 8. And once again, this will correspond to assignment 15. So we have this formula here. It's the one that was related to my treadmill. Basically, if you wanted to determine how much time it would take to cover a certain distance, when you set the treadmill at a certain beginning speed, you'd put the distance and beginning speed in here, do some arithmetic, and it'd tell you how much time it would take. Let's suppose you wanted to figure out what beginning speed to set the treadmill at, a different scenario. In other words, solve it for B. So, clear fractions, yep. Divided by that expression. How about we multiply both sides by that expression in order to get that to go away? Because again, 1, 2, 3, over 1. These are going to cancel. And again, if we introduce it over there, then algebra requires us to introduce it over here as well. So once again, on the right-hand side, cancel, clear, goes away, clear fractions, and it leaves the numerator 20d. And then over here, wouldn't that be distributing? So we'll multiply the t by the 20b, 20dt. All these things were covered before spring break. I keep saying it. This was assignment 4, where we talked about distributing and things of that nature. Simplification. All right? Is the variable in one term? Notice the variable again would be b. All right? That's the variable they want us to isolate. You look at it and go, yeah, b is in one term. Cool. So again, the order of operations, the operation that's furthest from b, I would note that it's surrounded by multipliers, and then there's that addition there. And there's an addition clear at the bottom of the order of operations. So, using that recurring theme, the first step we want to do is to subtract the 19t to the other side, which leaves us with 20bt equals 20d minus 19t. Those aren't like terms. All right. As mentioned earlier, we want b by itself, and the 20 and the t, aren't they both multipliers? 20 times b times t. So can't we just get rid of them by dividing the 20 and the t? And we'll divide this side by the 20 and the t. 20 cancels, t cancels, b by itself. Cool. So let's clean it up a little bit. b ends up equaling 20d minus 19t all over 20t. This would be the formula if a person said, I want to cover a certain distance in a certain amount of time. What beginning speed do I need to set the treadmill? So there you go, different formulas for different situations. And that's literal equations. And I think that's a wrap on that particular section. So I hope you enjoyed it. Mr. Salivary Gland misses you guys. I hope you're doing well. You guys take care of yourselves. And hopefully this math has at least given you a distraction from some of the other things going on. But anyway, I need to move on. Love ya.